This is my quick and easy eyeshadow. So starting with my darkest color and a bigger eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to push it through my crease line. I'm dabbing and pressing rather than swiping. Using a smaller, tighter brush, same color, blending it underneath my eye. Using a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm using my second darkest color, dabbing that over the top, not all the way out though, just focusing on the middle of my eye, going to the base of my eyelid and then up to the crease line, starting again with the smaller brush, the lightest color in the inner part of my eye there, and blending it together, and just down here. Then if you need to after, taking all the colour of that brush and just blending it, or get a new one. Add eyeliner, mascara, and you're ready to go.